On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut app to create your beautiful thumbnail. Somebody asked and said, is it possible to create thumbnail using CapCut? Oh yes, you can create beautiful thumbnail using CapCut, and that is what this tutorial is all about. In case you don't have CapCut app, go straight and download CapCut from your Google Play. Okay, then when you come here, you tap on new project. Next you are going to do is to import the background that you are going to use. Go ahead and select the background you are going to use. So this is the background I want to use. I click on it and add it here. Next thing is for me to change the aspect ratio of this background. So YouTube is 16:9, so I click on it here and drag it a bit with my tip of finger, then okay it. Next is for me to overlay the image that I'm going to use for this thumbnail. When you look down here at the down layers, you will see overlay. So I click on overlay and click on add overlay. So this is going to take me here. So I select this, I add. So go ahead and remove the background of this image. I click on remove BG, which is remove background, and click on auto remover. Yes, it is ready. So I place it with my finger and place it where I want it to be. Next is this. I am going to brighten up this image. Okay, let's brighten it a little. I click on adjust. I click on sharpened. Okay, I extend it. Then I click on brightness. I say brightness. Okay, you can see now. Look at it. It's this way. Then I add a bit brightness to it. See the image now. I want it to be like that. I don't want it to be too shouty. You okay it. My image is okay now. Then the next is add overlay and bring in your CapCut logo. So I add it here. Next, click on auto remover. You can see the logo is free. So you can manage it a bit with the tip of your finger. Place it where you want it to be. Alright. Next, you click on text. Add text. You go ahead and add your write-up depending on your niche and what you are creating the thumbnail for. So this is YouTube thumbnail. So I minimize it and place it here like so. Then I go to style. I'm going to change the background of that. No, I don't like that. No, black background. Okay, this is good. So I place it like so. Still minimize this. This is okay. Next, add text again. Any text you want to add, you come down and add text. Then tutorial. This is good. Then I'm going to change the background of this tutorial to be white. Okay. All right. This is it. If you want to change the font, you can equally change the font. You come here and click on font, and I can change the font of this. I think this particular one is okay, so I click OK. This is it, our thumbnail is ready. Do not make your thumbnail to be so busy with lots of words, texts, okay? Just keep it simple. So this is CapCut YouTube tutorial thumbnail. So I just have to make it simple without adding any other thing to it, okay? All you need to do is to screenshot it and edit. There is no need exporting. You can't export this because once you export it, it will come out as a video. So just screenshot. So I go ahead and screenshot this, then I can now edit it and use it as thumbnail. So I hope this is helpful.